Hello, hi everyone. Hope that you are doing well. Today we are going to learn this pattern or this stitch. I can say this is called crochet 3D leaf and berry stitch. So here you can see it is done throughout the stitch. It goes vertically. See here, this is the back of the stitch, and you can extend as many patterns as you want. Okay, this pattern is done in the stitches. I think these are 29 stitches. Base of this pattern is 29 stitches, and most important thing that every even number row is a single crochet row. Every even number row is a single crochet row. Okay, whatever the pattern is raised is on the odd numbers row. It is done in odd numbers row. Again, I would like to remind you, I am lefty, so I'll be working from left to right, and the similarly you will be working from right to left. So my first leaf comes to my right hand, your first leaf will come to your left hand. Okay, that will be the change. Yeah, that you need to take into consideration. So this is very cute. I'll show you how to make this. Okay, so let's get started. I'll make 29 plus 2 chains. Okay, 29 plus 2. Yeah, here are my 29 chains completed. So I'll be taking 2 more chains, 1 and 2. So this is the base or the foundation is done. Now skip 2 chains and make 1 single crochet in the next stitch. This is your first row. So first row is of 1 double crochet in each stitch. Skip 2 chains. In the next chain make 1 double crochet, and then till the end of the row you have to make 1 double crochet till you finish the row. Okay, see here, 1 double crochet row is completed. Okay, now take 1 chain. Now the second row, as I told you that each row, each even number row will be single crochet row. There will be no change in this. How many rows you increase? If you make a scarf out of this using this technique or using this stitch, every even number row must be single crochet. Okay, see here, done. Single crochet row is pattern is raised in single crochet only. See this, all the pattern is raised in single crochet, and these are all drop down double crochets. Okay, these are known as drop down double crochets. Yeah, I think we have done this in one of the stitches. Yes, so drop down double crochets are done. See, this all leaf pattern is raised, exposed up, but the whole pattern is done in single crochet. Okay, after this just turn your work, take 1 chain and make 2 single crochets. Okay, now we have to make 1 drop down double crochet in the next stitch. That is, drop down double crochet means what? You will be working on this double crochet of the previous row. Now 2 stitches are I have done, so skip this 2, and in the third one make 1 drop down. That is what? Just yarn over the hook, insert the hook here and pull the yarn. Okay, pull the yarn through 2, pull the yarn through 2. Then we have to do, as we did this, skip this back stitch of this double crochet. when we do drop down double crochet, skip the stitch behind it and then make again single crochet. Okay, to highlight this pattern or make you understand, I am doing this base in light green color and the leaf in white color. Okay, I did 13 single crochets after this drop down stitch, and then I'll pull white thread here. Okay, and I'll be doing one drop down double crochet again in the next stitch. Done. One drop down double crochet is done. Just pull the yarn here. Okay, and remaining stitches we have to make again. Leave this stitch behind the single crochet, double crochet, my mistake, double crochet, then single crochet till you reach fourth last of the stitch. Okay, yeah, here again I have to make one drop down double crochet. What is that drop down? Yarn over the hook, and here is one row. First row we have taken off double crochet. Insert the hook here under that double crochet, pull the yarn, pull through two, pull through two. Okay, the remaining 3 stitches single crochet, 1 2 3. So our third row is done. Fourth row, as I told you, fourth row will be single crochet. Yeah, look at this now. Okay, 4 rows are done. Now fifth one, this row. Okay, for that purpose again one chain, one single crochet, 2 single crochet, and then one drop down double crochet in this double crochet. Okay, so this line would go vertically. It is just a pattern. If you don't want to do, you can avoid it, and you can simply do single crochets here. Okay, yeah, after this I'll be doing 12 single crochets. Okay, this is the 12th one. Okay, so I didn't complete it, I just pull the yarn and then I will pull white yarn. Okay, so now 12 double crochets are done. Now I have to do drop down double crochet in this white double crochet. Okay, I'll insert the hook here and pull the yarn. Okay, one double crochet. So again I will keep it incomplete and then I will change the yarn, so it looks much better. This is also a technique of changing the color of the yarns. Then one single crochet, the second single crochet I keep incomplete, and then I pull white yarn through it, so my white yarn will be in the working system. In the same stitch, in the same drop down stitch, I will do one more double crochet drop down stitch. See what I did here. After 12 I did one drop down double crochet stitch in this drop down double crochet. Okay, this one. So we are doing this row, second row. Okay, and then I did 2 single crochet, and again I will be doing one drop down double crochet in the same drop down stitch. Okay, I'll keep it incomplete, that is known as IDC, incomplete double crochet, and then I'll pull the yarn through it. This is the way of or the technique of changing your stitch. Okay, as usual, leave one stitch behind it and remaining stitches single crochet Then I'll be doing this drop down double crochet and single crochet, and I'll finish the row. See, 5 rows are completed. Okay, now the 6th row, as it is, I'll take one chain, turn the work, and I'll do single crochet in each stitch without increasing, without any other stitch. I'll be doing one single crochet in each stitch. See, the 6th row is over. Turn the work, take one chain, then one single crochet, second single crochet, one drop down double crochet here, okay, and I will do single crochet till I reach here. Okay, see here, I did, after this drop down double crochet, I did 11 single crochets. Okay, 11 single crochet, and this is the 12th one. I'll keep it incomplete, and here I will be joining another color, that is, I would like to join red one. Yeah, actually I don't have red acrylic yarn, so I am using this cotton yarn. Take a slip stitch and pull it through this incomplete single crochet. Okay, now I'll be doing berry on this double crochet, drop down double crochet. So yarn over the hook and insert the hook, yarn over the hook and insert the hook here in this drop down double crochet. Okay, pull the yarn, make one double crochet. I have to make 5 double crochets here. So one is done, I'll be doing 4 more. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, now remove the hook, insert the hook in the first stitch. Okay, take the base color, the main color of the work or your project, that mine is green, and insert the hook in this loop as well. What I did, I inserted the hook in the top of the first stitch and this loop. Okay, and pull the green yarn or the base yarn through it. One berry or cherry is done. Okay, you may cut the yarn from the back. Yeah, here it is. I will cut it, leaving a small tail. Okay, and this one berry is done, and then I'll be doing 1 and 2. Okay, I'll be doing I did it there only, my mistake. Yes, 1 and 2. Okay, I keep it incomplete and I will pull white yarn. I'll be doing 1 drop down double crochet in the white double crochet. Okay, is that clear? Now again I'll keep this incomplete double crochet and pull the green yarn, and I'll complete this row as it is. 1 single crochet here, I'll do 1 drop down double crochet, then 3 single crochets, and this 7th row will be finished, and 8th row I'll be doing all single crochet. Okay, so I'll meet you when I start 9th row. Look at this now. I have started ninth row as well. One chain, then two single crochet, one drop down double crochet, and then I did all single crochets till I reach here on the top of this white double crochet drop down, and this the upper one I left the one. Okay, now I will attach here white yarn. Okay, I find this way easier, otherwise you will be getting extra stitches when you add the yarn after completion of that one particular stitch. If I complete this single crochet and then I will pull the yarn, then it will look little weird. So I always do this. I keep it incomplete, then I pull the yarn through it, and that single crochet, double crochet, whatever it is completed. So I will do one drop down double crochet in this white double crochet. Okay, see, this is again, I just pulled it through two and I keep it incomplete. Pull the green yarn, then I'll make two single crochets. See, one single crochet, second one I keep incomplete, and then I pull white yarn. Okay, now again we will be working in the same drop down white double crochet. One double crochet and one more I have to look at this. I will be doing this one. Okay, no, this one double crochet. Fine, so I have to keep it incomplete, and then I'll pull the green yarn. I find this way easier to attach the multiple colors, and the remaining again single crochet here, drop down double crochet, then I'll finish the row, and then one chain, turn my work, and one single crochet till I come back. Okay, look at this. I completed this row, then I turned back, one single crochet I completed here, and this is 11th row started. One single chain, then two single crochets, then one drop down double crochet, and the remaining single crochet. See, there is no need to count the stitches now, because most of the time what you have to do, one stitch earlier you have to finish your single crochet, and then you have to work on this. Okay, now see here, this is the top of this stitch. So before that I finish my work, and I completed here actually the single crochet, but I'll redo that now. One single crochet incomplete, and I'll pull white yarn. Okay, I will do one double drop down double crochet in this white double crochet. Right, I'll keep it incomplete, and I'll pull green yarn. Then one single crochet, and the second one I'll keep incomplete and pull my white yarn. If you know any other method of changing the color of the yarns, you can follow that. Yeah, there is no compulsion that you should follow my technique only. Okay, because every person has his own tricks. Okay, now I have to do two drop down double crochet in this double crochet only. Okay, yarn over the hook, pull the yarn, and drop down double crochet one more I will do that. Okay, so Yeah, I will pull my green yarn here and I'll finish the row. Okay, now see, you can go through this. I am holding it. When you come for the next row here, then one drop down double crochet in the same, then two single crochets, and then in each drop down double crochets you have to make two double crochets. Okay, right? Then remaining part is same. Next again you will come in the next row here. See, then you have to increase again. In the first one you have to make two drop down double crochet, then one double crochet and two double crochets here. Okay, this way the pattern goes on. Okay, I am guiding you for this pattern only, right? Rest of the part is same. Is that clear? Yeah, this video is going to be little lengthy here, so I'll finish up to here and then I'll cut and then I'll start with another part of the video. Okay, so one or two rows I'll finish and then I'll go for the second part. Okay, yeah. See, my 11th row of 10th row, I'm sorry, 11th row of this is done. Then 12th one was this, right? Single crochet row. Now the 13th one I am going to do. So again pull the white yarn, or the whichever color you are using for leaf you can pull it, right? One drop down double crochet in the same stitch, and now 1 and 2. Okay, 1 and only 2 I have to do here. Again pull white yarn, as I am using white as the leaf. Now see, here are two drop down double crochets, you can see, right? So each drop down double crochet we have to make two double crochets, 1 and 2. Okay, now in the next drop down double crochet I'll be making two double crochets, 1 and 2. So total 4 stitches we made. Make sure that you will leave 4 stitches behind them. See, 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? Now we will be working in the next stitch. Yes, I have to pull my base color here. Little critical for changing the color. You can make all these patterns in the single color as well. Okay, as I told you, how many stitches we have to skip? 4 stitches. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. In the 5th one I'll be doing, sorry, let it get back. Yes. Okay, let me check how many stitches I left, because these are 4 stitches, 4 double crochets, so I have to leave 4 stitches here from the back. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have to work here, directly here. It is little bit difficult to change the color, but once you get an idea you can easily change them. But And if you want, you can work in the single color as well. Doesn't matter. No compulsion that you should change your color again and again. So remaining part I'll be doing this. This is my 13th row. 14th will be single crochet row. So I'll finish that. When I reach here, I'll get back to you. Yes, see here. Okay, this drop down double crochet I am doing in the same way uh, to both the sides, like here. It goes parallel, right? Now here is my stitch, so on top of that and one earlier I'll leave, and then I will change my color. You can do with the same color. Once again I'm telling you, you can do it with the same color, doesn't matter. Okay, and then I will do one double drop down double crochet in this white stitch. Okay, I will leave it incomplete and then pull my green yarn, and then I'll do 1 and 2. Okay, again this is incomplete because I have to pull my white yarn. You can complete the stitch with your regular color. Okay, base color, whichever base color you are going to use, you can do it in the same color as well. Just I wanted to highlight this and show you. Now see, in the first drop down double crochet, I will make 2 drop down double crochets, 1 and 2. Okay, in the next one I'll be doing 1 drop down double crochet, only 1. Okay, then in the next again I will be doing 1 drop down double crochet. Okay, and in the last, this one I'll be doing 2 drop down double crochets, 1 and 2. Done. Now I'll be doing my pattern, regular pattern, single crochet and this drop down double crochet, come back and make the whole row of single crochet, and then I'll come back here and I'll get back to you. Yeah, look at this. This is my 17th row. As usual, I completed this. Okay, and this is my drop down double crochet. So above that and one earlier I left. Okay, and then I'll pull the white yarn here. Okay, I'll be doing 2 drop down double crochets here, 1 and 2. Okay, I'll pull my green yarn, now these are 2 double crochets, hence I have to skip 2 chains from the back, 1 and 2, and in the third one I have to work 1 and 2. Okay, now this is again my incomplete because I have to pull my yarn. Now I'll be doing 1 drop down double crochet in each stitch. There are 6 drop down double crochets here. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so I'm making 1 drop down double crochet in each stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, I'll pull my green yarn, you can do this pattern, you can crochet this in single color as well. Okay, and now again the same 6 stitches are here. These are 6 stitches, hence what I'll do, I'll skip 6 stitches from the back. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 I have to work in the next one. Okay, so one single crochet, one single crochet, one single crochet, then one drop down double crochet here as I have added to my pattern, and the remaining 3 as this. Okay, so I will stop here and I will meet you in the next part now. See here. I hope you understand this. Once again, I would like to remind you that you can work in the single color as well. Yeah, this is my fancy to work in multiple colors, and it is easier to understand as well. So I use multiple colors, but you can work in single color as well. Okay, so I'll take a break and I'll meet you in the second part. Till then, bye. Enjoy crocheting. Keep crocheting.